In a quiet village, a cheerful 3-year-old boy starts his day running out into the yard with joy and excitement. He loves feeding his goat friends with fresh green grass, giggling as they nibble from his tiny hands. Every morning, he carefully collects eggs from the chicken coop, feeling proud of his little treasure. After helping, he plays tag with the goats, laughing and running around the garden full of wildflowers. Sometimes he sits and talks to the hens as if they are his closest friends, sharing all his secrets. His grandparents watch him with love, and he loves to run up and hug them tightly. Even though carrying a water bucket is hard, he smiles proudly, happy to help the animals. In the afternoon, he rests under the big tree with a goat beside him, enjoying the warm sunshine. He feels so proud showing the eggs he collected, standing tall in front of his small village home. At sunset, he falls asleep on his grandmother's lap, dreaming of another beautiful day with his animal friends.
Imagine this. You're sitting at your laptop, no animation skills, no expensive software, just an idea. And within minutes, you've created a viral-worthy 3D animated story that captivates thousands of viewers. Sounds like magic? It's not. It's AI. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, step by step, tool by tool, and for free. Whether you're a content creator, a storyteller, or someone who's tired of chasing trends, this video will give you the blueprint to launch your own faceless YouTube channel that generates passive income. No drawing skills required, no animation experience needed. Just follow along, and let's get started. Let's break this down into 4 simple steps. Crafting a story with ChatGPT, generating consistent images using Leonardo AI or Piclamine, animating your scenes with Hilo AI and Pixaverse AI, editing and adding voiceover using CapCut and 11 Labs. Ready? Let's dive in. And don't forget to smash that like button if this excites you. Step 1. Writing the story with ChatGPT. Every great animated story starts with a hook. But here's the secret. You don't need to be Tolkien or Spielberg to write one. All you need is a basic idea. For example, I told ChatGPT, write a 400-word children's story about a 4-year-old boy named David who lives in a village, helps his grandparents, and bonds with animals. Boom! Within seconds, ChatGPT generated a heartwarming tale about David, his goats, and his chickens. But we're not done yet. To keep characters consistent across all scenes, I gave ChatGPT detailed traits. Name, David. Age, 4 years old. Appearance, curly brown hair, big blue eyes, red overalls, yellow boots. Personality, curious, kind, playful. Now, ask yourself, what makes your character unforgettable? Add those details to your prompt. Once your story's ready, it's time to visualize it, scene by scene. Step 2, generating consistent images with AI. Meet Piclumen and Leonardo AI, your new best friends. These free tools turn your story prompts into stunning 3D images. Here's how it works. Copy your first scene's prompt, paste it into Piclumen, add 3D Pixar style to the end for that cinematic look. See the difference? The first image was too realistic, but after adding 3D Pixar style, it's pure magic. Now, repeat this for all 12 scenes. And here's a pro tip. If the AI forgets your character's traits, just remind it. For example, David, 4 years old, curly brown hair, blue eyes, red overalls, yellow boots, playing with goats. Struggling with consistency? Let me know in the comments. Step 3. Animating your scenes with Hilo AI and Vidu AI time to bring your images to life. Upload your first scene to Hilo AI, paste the same prompt, and watch the magic of AI animated. Example, a static image of David feeding chickens becomes a 5-second video of him scattering grain. Whoa! Did you see that? The chickens are pecking, David's arms are moving, and all you did was click Generate. But here's the catch. Free tools have limits. Hilo gives you 100 daily credits, about 3 videos. Vidu offers 81 time credits. Not enough? Create multiple accounts or upgrade to paid plans. Step 4. Editing and voiceover with CapCut and 11 Labs. Now, let's tie it all together. Import your videos into CapCut, trim the clips, and add transitions. But wait, where's the sound? That's where 11 Labs comes in. Use their AI voiceover tool to narrate your story. Example, 11 Labs generates a warm, child-friendly voice for David's dialogue. This isn't just editing, it's storytelling. Add sound effects from Pixabay or another websites that can gives you sound effects for free. There is a lot anyway. So sound effects like goat bleats or chicken clucks. Layer in background music from YouTube's audio library. Make your audience feel David's joy. If you're excited to try this, comment, "I'm ready" to gives you the right solution. Final scene. Exporting and uploading your video export in 1080p for crisp quality. Then, upload to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Add trending hashtags like #1 kids stories or #1 AI animation. And here's the best part. One video can go viral, bringing views for months. David's story began as an idea. Yours can too. Whether you're teaching kids, sharing morals, or building a brand, AI is your studio. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's grow together. So, what's your story? Comment below and I'll feature your ideas in my next video. Until then, remember, you don't need talent, you need tools. And now, you've got them. See you in the next one, future viral creators.